Love me for always, never ever leave. And I promise to love and never deceive. Stay beside me and don't be apart, for it's you who captured my heart. I love you till the end of time, and through each passing day I'll always love you till I die, as it's you who makes me shine. Love me for always, never ever leave. As I promise to love and never deceive. Stay beside me and don't be apart, for it's you who captured my heart. I love you in the morning light, when the sun rises to greet the day, and in the darkness of the night, when my love never fades away. Love me for always, never ever leave. As I promise to love and never deceive. Stay beside me and don't be apart, for it's you who capture my heart. I love you when you're happy, and I love you when you're sad. I love you through the good times, and even the times that are bad. Together we will weather every storm, the trials and tribulations of every form. Forever I'll fight for this love and thank the heavens above. I love you when we're apart, and even when we're near. I love you for who you are and for all the love you share. Love me for always, never ever leave. As I promise to love and never deceive. Oh, stay beside me and don't be apart, for it's you who captured my heart. I love your smile and your laughter, I love your gentle touch. I love your unwavering kindness and the love you give so much. I love you more with each passing day, and my love will never end. I'll hold you close forever and love you till the bitter end.